Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my spring garden tour. And so I thought I would start out here on the back patio. This is when you pretty much first walk out the back door. And so the first thing I wanted to show you was this vertical planter that I got. And if you guys are short on space, you should definitely look into one of these because you can fit 42, it has 42 different sections in it. And so I used this to plant my entire herb garden, as well as some lettuces. You can plant strawberries in this, root vegetables, all sorts of things. So I want to get some cute garden markers, but for now I just put the little seed bags in there. And what's cool about this is you just water the top part and then it runs down into all of the little pockets. So it's super convenient. It's got wheels with brakes on them so you can move it around, and it's just perfect if you are short on space and you just want something to put out on your back patio. So we have a little garden area, but we have a pretty small yard, so this was a good way for us to get in some more plants that we just wouldn't have had space for. So they actually gave me a coupon code for you guys. I will put a link to where I got this with the coupon code down in the description box if you would like to get one of your own. But I absolutely love it, and it comes in different colors. I got that terracotta color to match these terracotta pots that I have in the next little section of my garden that I'm going to show you. So these are our blueberry bushes. We planted these last year, and we actually have quite a few blueberries growing on them, more than I was expecting to have in just the second year, because usually it takes a while to get them kind of established. My dream would be to have an entire berry patch, but for now, we live in the suburbs. We have these two little pots with our berry bushes. And then I also have some kale, and this kale is starting to flower like that, so I keep having to pick the little flowers off. But I planted this kale last fall, and it survived through the winter snow and everything, and then once the snow stopped, it has just been thriving. And kale doesn't grow very well in warm weather, so it'll probably be done pretty soon, but that is our kind of back patio area, and it's going to be so nice to have those herbs right outside the kitchen door. So now I'm going to walk through the backyard. You can see this big dirt patch. This is where we had our garden last year, if you've been around since then and you remember our garden box that we had right there. So we're waiting for the grass to grow, and we're planning on putting a little play set there with a swing set for Charlie. But this year Wes did this really, really cute garden area, and he built all of these planter boxes and then sectioned it off with mulch. There's Chester. So because we fenced in our backyard this year, we were able to do a bigger section, and I kind of wanted to do little pea gravel, but Wes thought that mulch would be easier to take out someday, if we move and the next owners, don't want to have a garden. So I guess that makes sense. But anyway, it's just nice because we can get around and kind of walk in the little aisles in between the garden beds. So I just think it looks really nice, and it kind of lines up with where our sidewalk ends right there. So this is really convenient too because we can walk outside of our garage door and it's right there. So I'll kind of take you through and tell you what we planted in each bed. So this bed here is all carrots, and I planted, we did heirloom rainbow style carrots, which I've never planted before, but they're so pretty, and they are starting to come up. There's a ton of them. And then we just planted those from seed. And then this is the tomato bed. So these are all tomatoes, and we planted starters in this one rather than planting seeds. But we did kind of a variety, and these are sun sugar, cherry tomatoes, and then some Roma tomatoes. Romas are supposed to be the best for making marinara sauce, which I would like to try this year. And then, we love to just snack on the cherry tomatoes. It's cool planting starters because stuff starts happening so fast. We already have some little flowers on the tomatoes getting ready to bloom. So this box is all cucumbers, and I'm not actually a huge cucumber fan, but I just am so excited to try to make my own pickles this year. So I planted a ton of cucumbers. I think I planted a few too many in a group, but it'll be fine. I'm not worried about it. But those trellis up, so we're gonna have to put a trellis in the cucumber bed. And then this bed here is all flowers. So I kind of zoomed in so you can see that the little seedlings look different because I planted all different types of flowers in this one. We've got sunflowers back by the fence, this one here, and they're the biggest one so far. But then I also planted other things, and I honestly can't even remember what all I planted. I planted snapdragons, I think like poppies, just kind of a variety of stuff. So that bed should be really pretty. And then this bed over here, this little square bed, Wes just had leftover wood, so he just made a little square bed there. That's all lavender. I wanted to see if you guys had any ideas too of what to put in that blank space. Like I was thinking maybe just something decorative, I don't know. But anyway, this has been our spring garden tour. I hope you enjoyed it. You can follow me over on Instagram. I'll have links to everything below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.